Coach, you guys lost a heartbreaking win to Stephen F. Austin in the tournament last year. What specifically did you use motivational-wise for the guys in the offseason in preparation for the upcoming year?
Well, there's been some reminders of that game, and I think there will continue to be some reminders of that game. But we don't want to dwell on it at the same time. We want to move on to this season coming up. I think our guys have learned some valuable lessons from that NCAA tournament loss, but also from all of last year. I think there's so much emphasis sometimes placed on the end of your season, but it's important to learn from the whole season.
A guy we talked about last year when I spoke with you, Coach, Jaquan Lewis. You were big on him, said he's going to be a heck of a player by the time it's all said and done with him. He's going into his sophomore year now. What kind of impact will he have for the Rams this year?
He's made a big jump. He obviously played a big role in that heartbreaking loss, and I think he's responded really, really well to that. As a sophomore, you always look for guys to make a big step forward, particularly if they were able to garner some minutes as freshmen. He did and played a good role for us last year. I think this year, his sophomore year, he's going to really see increased minutes. I think he's going to play more in combination with Briante Weber and with Jonathan Williams, our freshman point guard. So really excited about Jaquan.
Another guy you lose, Javante Reddick, has gone to graduation. But a guy I enjoyed watching last season, Big Mo Ali Cox. He's a guy who's raw at times and has some growth to come. What kind of impact do you expect him to make this season?
Well, I thought Mo was our most pleasant surprise last year on the floor. He was a guy more than anyone that at the end of the year I looked back and said, this guy did a lot better than a lot of people thought. Now, again, similar to Jaquan, he's going into his sophomore year. Can he fall in love with the process of being a great player on a daily basis, not just in games, but every day in practice? With Javante graduating, Mo's going to play more. Mo's going to get the ball more. Mo's going to have a more central role, and I think he's ready for that.
Finally, Coach, a top 20 recruiting class. 3 of those 4 guys are big men. What kind of impact in year one will these freshmen have?
Well, it remains to be seen. I mean, they're all talented players, all 4 of them. The one that doesn't really get talked about is our little point guard, Jonathan Williams, but he's phenomenal. I think he's got a chance to be as good as any guard that we've had over the course of his career. But I think for all 4 of these guys, including Terry Larrier, who was by far the most heralded recruit that we've signed in my time at VCU, it's about the process, and it's about figuring out how to be successful in college basketball, first in practice. That's kind of where we are right now. And then once we get into games in about a month, understanding what goes into winning, how to play a role, how to play defense on every possession. But certainly there are 4 guys that we're really excited about.